Assalamualaikum and good day to all of you. So today I will brief you on lab 4 power measurement in three-phase system using wattmeter sheet. Okay, the objective for this lab is after the completion of this experiment, students will be able to measure and calculate phase or line voltage for star and delta connection, and then measure and calculate phase or line current for both connection, and then measure the power for star and delta connection using 2-wattmeter method. So equipment or component used is Multisim program. Okay, so this is the procedure for this lab. So for this lab we have two parts. Part A is star or Y connected system, and for part B is delta connected system. Okay, so first we look for part A. So this is your diagram for star connected system. So this is your load part, and then your generator or alternator, we use three-phase Y connection. So this is the symbol of your three-phase generator in Y connection, where you set we phase 415 volt with frequency 50 Hz. Then your value at 300 ohm, where your because of your value is same for both for three phases, so the system is balanced system. Okay, and then first make the appropriate connection shown in figure 1. So you do the connection in star connection. So this is your connection of your star, where your generator is connected to your load. So red phase to load R1, yellow phase at load Y1, and blue phase at load blue 1. So set to 300 ohm. And then this is your generator, three-phase Y generator, where you set your phase voltage 415 volt, and then your frequency is 50 Hz. Okay, and then you have to connect your circuit to the ground either here or here. Okay, so referring to your lab sheet, so you have to record the data for voltage, line voltage. This is line voltage, and then your line current, your power factor, and then your value of power for the circuit. Okay, so first I show you the example. First you have to record the line voltage between red and yellow. Okay, just use the multimeter. You tap between red phase and yellow phase. Okay, so voltage AC, and then you run the circuit. Okay, so you will get 418 for line current. Okay, so if you refer to the theory, so 415 is phase current. You want to get the line, you have to times by 3. So you will get 718.8. So same with your simulation. So follow the same step for line voltage at yellow blue and blue red. Okay, and then for the current, you also use multimeter to measure the current for red, yellow, and blue phase. So you can do it by yourself. Okay, now I will focus on how to do the connection using 2-wattmeter method. Okay, so the wattmeter. Okay, so for wattmeter method, you can refer the connection from this circuit. Okay, since we use 2-wattmeter method to measure the power or total power of three-phase circuit, we only use 2-wattmeter. So wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2. Okay, the inductor circuit is actually you measure the current in series, and then for resistor is actually your voltage measurement connection. So for wattmeter 1, you have to measure the current through the red phase. Then for cross the red phase and the blue phase. Okay, so this is your wattmeter 1. So for wattmeter 1, you have to tap the voltage between red and blue. Okay, and then your current, you measure the current through red phase. Okay, so this is the connection for wattmeter 1, and then for wattmeter 2, you have to tap the voltage between yellow and blue, and then you have to measure the current through the yellow phase. Okay, so take the wattmeter 2. Okay, so voltage is between yellow and blue, and then your current, you have to measure across current through yellow phase. Okay, here. Okay, and then you can run your simulation. Okay, so now you can see that this is the value of power for wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2. Okay, so how you want to get the total power for three phases is you just add the value of power at wattmeter 1 plus wattmeter 2. So you will get the total power for 3 phases. So this is the advantage using 2-wattmeter method. So you only have to use 2-wattmeter to get total power for 3 phases. Okay, so this is how you connect the 2-wattmeter method in finding the power for 3 phases. Okay, and then you record data here. How to get the power for each phases. Okay, and then follow the same step in part 1 to solve part B. But for part B, we connect the system in delta connection. Okay, so this is your connection, and then you record all the data from experiment and calculated data, and then do the discussion, and lastly the conclusion. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.